Welcome to SP Global Solution. Now today I am going to start very important topic, that is simple interest aptitude test paper number 2. In the previous class we have done simple interest aptitude test paper number 1. Let us see the question. The question is what? Is sum invested at the rate of interest 5%, simple interest, grows to 5400 rupees in 4 years, and the same amount in 3 years at the rate of 10% per annum, simple interest will grow to what? So for this type of question, simple technique is what? First you see what is given. So in the first case, it is given simple rate of interest. So in the first case, this is the first case. So in first case, what is given? Rate of simple interest given how much? 5%. Okay. Now grows to rupees 5400. That is, it is given amount. That is 5400. And time is given how much? 4 years. The same amount in 3 years. It is given the same amount in 3 years. That is, T2 is given how much? 3 years. At the rate of 10%. So that is R2 is given what? 10% per annum. Simple interest will grow to. So we have to find what? That is A2. So for this type of question, technique is what? Here rate is given, amount is given, and time is given. So we can find very easily what? So here A1 given, T1 given, R given. Here T2 given, R2 given, we have to find A2. So for this type of question, simple technique is what? You know that is amount equal to what? Principal plus interest. Amount equal to principal plus simple interest. So here amount is given how much? That is 5400. Okay, and this is P. Simple interest is what? P into R into T upon 100, right? So here 5 4 are 20, 25 is 100. So we will get how much? P plus P by 5. So this is 5P plus P. That is 6P upon 5. So this is 6 9 ja 5400. So we will get P. P how much? 5 9 ja 45. So now we have P 4500. Now you see in the second case here. So here now P we have, and that is A2 we have to find. So amount, that is A2 equal to what? That is principal plus simple interest. So principal we have already found how much? 4500. And simple interest is what? Principal, that is 4500 into rate, that is 10. And time is given how much? 3. And divided by 100. So this is 20 cancel out. So this is how much? 4500. And this is plus 3 5 are 15, 3 4 are 12, and 1 13. So 3 5 are 15, 3 4 are 12, 1 13, 1350. When we add this number 0 5 8 5. So what is this? 5850. So our correct answer is what? 5850. So for this type of question, so many techniques. So this is the basic question. So here first case R, A and T. So we can find P very easily. Amount equal to principal plus simple interest. So here we have found P. Now here T2 given, R2 given, A2 found. So amount equal to what? Principal plus simple interest. So principal is 4500 and simple interest formula P into R into T by 100. So this is what? 1350. When we add this number, we will get what? 00505 and 358 and 415. So 5850 is our correct answer. Now see the question number 2. The question 2 is what? A sum of money at simple interest becomes rupee 3000 in 2 years and rupee 3540 in 5 years. Then find the rate of interest. So for this type of question, simple concept, simple technique. So what is technique? So you see, a sum of money at becomes rupee 3000 and it is what? In 2 years. So it is given amount, suppose A1 is given how much? 3000, and this is T1 is given how much? 2 years. In the same way, and rupee 3540 in 5 years. So again it is given A2 second amount 3540, and time given T2 is what? 5 years, right? So find the rate of it. So for this type of question, technique is what? Here first amount and second amount, and here T1 and T2. So time difference is what? 5 minus 2, 3 years. So A1 3000 become principal for the next 3 years, because after 2 years 3000 and next 5 year 3540. So this is the gap is what? 3 years. So simple interest for 3 years at rupees 3000 equal to what? It is given 3540 and minus 3000. So we get how much? 540. So 540 is what? Simple interest for 3 years at 3000 rupees. Okay. So we have simple interest, we have principal and time. So we can find rate of interest very easily. So what is the formula for rate of interest? So rate of interest formula is what? Simple interest into 100 and divided by what? Principal into time. So here simple interest is given what? 540, because gap is 3000 and 3540. So 3000 rupees in 2 years and same amount become 3540 in 5 years. So in 3 years how much increase? 540 increase. So 540 is simple interest for 3 years at rupee 3000. So simple interest is given 540 into 100. Principal is what? 3000, and time is given how much? 3 years. So this 102030, 102030, and this is 3 1 ja 3, 2 remainder 24, 3 8 ja, and this is 3 6 ja. So our correct answer is what? 6% right answer. So that is D option, 6% is our correct.